rush it, hit snooze twice, that's part of my process. Stretching out slow in these hotel sheets. Different city, but the vibe's concrete. In my routine, coffee first thing. And then I check my phone, see what today brings. And nothing crazy, just a couple texts from my team saying, let's get the check. Good morning ritual keeps me centered. Every day's a blessing. I remember simple things, simple ways. That's enough. Life's been good, can't complain much. Starting right since the whole day straight. Good morning ritual, feeling great. Shower thoughts got me planning moves. Not aggressive, just finding my groove. For the day ahead, nothing too intense. Living comfortable, that makes sense. Order room service or hit the lobby cafe. Either way, I'm taking my time, no delay. On this peaceful moment before the day starts. This is the rhythm, this is the art. Ritual keeps me centered. Every day's a blessing. I remember simple things, simple ways. That's enough. Life's been good, can't complain. Rush through mornings fast. Now I make these moments last. Looking out the window, city waking up. Pour another cup, never enough of this morning peace, this quiet time before the meetings and the daily climb through the schedule. But I'm ready now, got my mind right, figured out how to start the day on my own terms. Good morning ritual, that's what I learned. Good morning ritual keeps me centered, keeps me centered. Every day's a blessing. I remember simple things, simple ways. That's enough. Life's been good, can't complain. Oh yeah. Starting right since the whole day straight. Since the whole day straight. Good morning ritual, feeling great. Yeah. Same routine, different view, but the vibe stays true. Good morning to myself, taking care of mental health one day at a time. Turning to a brand new page, writing my own brand new stage. Journal open, pen in hand, mind is clear, ready for whatever comes this year. No more dwelling on the past mistakes. Fresh pages mean fresh starts, whatever it takes to move forward with a lighter step. Learning from the falls, but no regret, just lessons learned and wisdom gained. New chapters written, nothing's the same. Fresh pages waiting for my story. Not chasing fame, not chasing glory, yeah. Just living honest, living true, writing chapters that feel brand new. Oh, oh, oh. Every day's a chance to start again. Oh, oh. Fresh page is my closest friend. Oh, oh. Fresh page is my closest friend, yeah. Used to think I had to have it figured out. Every answer, every route, remove all doubt. But fresh pages taught me something real. It's okay to improvise, okay to feel your way through the story as you go. Not every plot needs to be written in stone. Some of the best chapters come from surprise when you let the story naturalize. Fresh pages waiting for my story. Not chasing fame, not chasing glory. Just living honest, living true, writing chapters that feel brand new. up with experiences, moments, connections made, building something that won't ever fade. Cause authentic stories stand the test of time, and this fresh page is genuinely mine. Fresh pages waiting for my story. Not chasing fame, not chasing glory. Just living honest, living true. Writing chapters that feel brand new. Every day's a chance to start again. Fresh page is my closest friend. Pen still moving, story still growing. Fresh pages, future's glowing. Write it down, make it real. Fresh pages, this is how I feel. New beginning, new beginning. I wake up when the room feels ready. No alarms yelling at me. Same street outside my window, same clouds moving slowly. I don't rush the first few minutes, let the silence do its thing. Used to feel like time was chasing, now it walks next to me. I'm moving at the same pace, nothing pulling me away. Days don't feel heavy lately, they just happen. Yeah, I'm moving at the same pace, letting moments rearrange. I don't need to speed it up, I'm fine right here. Phone buzzes, I don't react. If it matters, it'll stay. I've learned not everything needs my energy today. I still think about the past sometimes, not enough to slow my stride. Just a thought passing through like background noise in my mind. I'm moving at the same pace, not ahead, not behind. Everything finds its place when I stop asking why. Yeah, I'm moving at the same pace, nothing loud, nothing strange. If this is how it feels now, I'll keep it this way. Maybe I didn't change much, maybe I just relaxed. Stop trying to be somewhere other than where I'm at. Morning to night again. No big wins, no mistakes, just breathing in. Yeah, I'm moving at the same pace. Let it light do what it does. If tomorrow feels the same, that's enough. Yeah. Clear roads, open mind, 96 on the dash. Let's just glide tonight. Yeah. What? One hit on the wheel, watching neon lines blur. Thinking about the person that I really am for sure. Silver moonlight reflecting on the black asphalt. If the vibe is this perfect, it's nobody's fault. Got the jazz in the cabin, keeping it cozy and low. No destination, just enjoying the flow. Just enough tension to keep the steering wheel tight. Chasing the horizon in the middle of the night. Oh, we're gliding on the midnight highway. Everything is moving in a beautiful way. Floating on the feeling, never touching the ground. The most sophisticated rhythm that I've ever found. Just a natural swing, keeping it cool, staying in golden rule.
Yeah. Windows crack open, let the midnight breeze in. This is the moment where the stories begin. The upright bass is humming like the engine's soft roar. I've never felt this kind of freedom before. Brush drums, tapping on the rhythm of the lane, washing out the stress and the ghost of the strain. I'm the pilot of the night in my own little zone, feeling so connected even when I'm alone.